Hi everybody, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to write the fraction -3/8 in two other ways. In a more broader sense, we're actually going to learn how to write a negative fraction in two other ways. Now, if we go back to what a fraction is a ratio of integers where the denominator can never be 0, because remember, a fraction is just nothing but another form of division, and we've all learned that you can never divide by 0, so 0 can never be in the denominator. So if we look at different ways we can write fractions, then this particular task will start making a little bit more sense to you. So we can have a fraction where the integer in the numerator is positive and the integer in the denominator is positive, as long as it's not 0. Or we can have a situation where the integer in the numerator is negative and the integer in the denominator is positive. Or we can have the numerator be a positive integer and the denominator be a negative integer. Or we can have both of the integers be negative. Now, you'll see this a lot. You'll run across this again when you start looking at slope. So try to follow as closely as you can, because when you start doing slope, this will make more sense to you. So since fractions are nothing more than division problems, if we think about division, when we divide two positive numbers, then our quotient or our answer is positive. And if we divide two negative numbers, our quotient or our answer is also positive. So positive A over positive B and negative A over negative B are both positive. So they're positive fractions. Now if we go back and we look at negative A over positive B, negative A over positive B, as well as positive A over negative B, are both negative fractions that can also be rewritten with the negative sign pulled out in front of the fraction as A over B. So when we see fractions where the numerator is negative, the denominator is positive, or the numerator is positive, the denominator is negative, or either the negative sign has been pulled out in front, these are all positive fractions. Are negative fractions. Wow, I misspoke. So these are negative fractions. So another way that we can write -3 over 8 or -3/8 is by either pulling this negative sign out in front and rewriting the fraction as -3/8, or another way we can rewrite it is by taking the negative sign from the numerator and placing it in the denominator. So I hope that helps you to understand how you can write a negative fraction in other ways. And until the next time, I'll talk to all you later. Bye.